Celine to get my ticket. Oh my gosh, hinihingal ako. Good morning, Mom. Yes, this is Ate Rosaline.
Hi. Welcome to my vlog.
Bye, Ate. We miss you. Bye-bye, Te. Bye-bye. Ay, naantay ko ng sasakyan, guys. Kasi pupunta na ako sa bus station going to Abha right now. So, yan. I have a ticket. She printed it. And they already paid it for me. I really thank God for this. Daan tayo sa ER, guys. Kuha tayo ng mask. Don't have mask. Nakaw tayo ng mask, guys. Hindi ako ng mask dito. Thank you. Kahit isa lang. See? And guys, I'm gonna leave Tariban General Hospital for a while. Buti na mabait si Kuya. Hindi na po tayo. Papalit na ako ng mask ko kasi sira. I need to remove this one. See you later. Dito na po sa Satco. And ito na po yung bus going to Abha. Ayan, guys. Talagay naman natin yung finish. Let's go into the bus. Dito na lang ako sa harapan, guys. This is my first time na mag-Satco na mag-isa lang. Pero in fairness, guys, madami naman kami, puro babae. Going na. Look, guys. Sobra tong daan ng patungo papunta sa Abhagan.
guys. So ngayon, kuusahin muna natin ang bangs ko.
Yes.
Pupunta kami sa... Saan tayo pupunta? Sa kami.
Yeah. Please meet Carolina.
Oh my gosh, hi there.
She has a vlog too. And welcome to Abha.
Bangs.
Guys, I am here in Abha. Yeah. So, we are here in Abha again. Yeah, this is their accommodation. Look,
In Abha.
nandito kami sa loob.
Yeah. And that's our car. Oh, three yung car. Oh, pakita mo.
Grabe, ang laki ng trees dito sa Abha, guys.
Bakit hindi ka nag-freeze doon?
Dahil kulang nga doon ng lamig, mainit. Yeah, hindi sila makasurvive. Guys, dito, grabe, surviving ang plants and trees.
Gusto naman ang hawak ng bangs.
Yeah.
Sorry sa bangs. Pakita mo ang ano pa ba?
Antayin natin.
Hintayin namin ang aming private driver. Ang aming, ano ba yung ating private driver? Ay, walang ano yung ating secretary.
She's not responsive. Yeah, guys. Ito na yung Karim. Doon tayo sasakay.
Shoot for the location, ha?
Sure for the location.
Ay, baba. Ang haba. Tagan. Malum markas sa wasak abha. Ulang mansak. Mansak, diba? Kada. Wasak abha mansak. Mustashak kabir.
1, 2, 3, come on!
Let's go to their kitchen, guys. Dito tayo sa hallway. We're going to kitchen. This is the accommodation of all nurses here in Abha. Hello, guys. We're going to make shawarma. This is Abha. It is the capital city of Asir, Saudi Arabia. We are here in park, guys, and it's 18 degrees Celsius right now. Malamig siya. Parang ano lang siya, guys, Burnham Park ng Baguio City. Pero yung lamig dito, I think 18 degrees Celsius, parang 14 degrees Celsius ng Baguio City yung lamig niya ngayon. Diba? There are a lot of trees na nakaka-survive dito, pati Bermuda grass, unlike other places of Saudi Arabia, guys. Mini park lang ito. Careful lang po tayo sa pag-video kasi